Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, the largest platform where you can prepare for any interview related to any particular domain for which you have got the call. And this video is related to Goa Shipyard Limited. So Goa Shipyard Limited has announced the shortlisting of the candidates and the interview schedule also, I think 19th of July, for different professions like management trainee post for corporate social responsibility, HR, electrical, different professions they have shortlisted. So the post is assistant manager, and different, as I told you, like different backgrounds. They have been called for the interviews, and they have been called for interviews and document verification. So irrespective of what your document, what your background is, friends, you can prepare for this particular interview with the Yourpedia mentors. As you know, Yourpedia will mentor you for HR, for technical part also, like corporate social responsibility, what kind of question can be asked, and how it is to be done. Every stage is very important, especially the interview stage is something which is very important. At the end of this notification, I am going to tell you how you can prepare for questions related to Goa Shipyard Limited, because some questions may be asked related to shipyard, Goa Shipyard, and then there are other shipyards also. So assistant manager in different departments, like mechanical has the maximum chunk, followed by other. So what you should prepare, which subjects you should prepare, that everything should be very clear. So this one is related to finance. So as I told you, on Yourpedia you can prepare for HR, for finance, for corporate social responsibility, material management, engineering domain. So all these things you can prepare, and all you need to do is you need to go through the details, information which is provided to you by the mentors. So this one is related to HR. So yeah, the dates are also given, 18th of 19th of July, all these dates are there. So friends, if you have got the call from this, then I believe you should start your preparation. Now let me show you from the website of Goa Shipyard Limited how you have to prepare some questions related to the website. And as I told you, like whenever some interview comes, from some organization, you should be very clear about the questions which are asked from that organization. Like this particular call is from Goa Shipyard Limited, so you should visit the website of Goa Shipyard Limited. And in the interview they may ask you whether you know what are the different kind of shipyards in India, which is the largest shipyard in India, what is so special about Goa Shipyard, and certain things which are related to the website. Like when you go to About Us, you will find about the history, about the introduction part. Introduction part is very important because they mention about Goa Shipyard, they will mention about the organization in the introduction. When was it established? 1957. And what is ISO 9001? It is related to quality management system. So yes, are you even aware about what is a quality management system? And ISO 45001, that is related to occupational health and safety management system. So they have mentioned about 3 ISO domains here. One, ISO 9001 quality, ISO 14001 environment, ISO 45001 occupational and safety health domains. So obviously all these things are required, right? So Goa Shipyard Limited is located on the bank of river Juari, that is in Goa, in case you have visited there, gone there. So this is small information related to Goa Shipyard Limited. And then why you want to join Goa Shipyard Limited, the answers can be from here. Just say this is a state of art manufacturing facility, and sir, this is the actually following all the international standards. So working in such organization can be very prestigious for us. And also what kind of things you have to prepare for interview. Suppose you are mechanical engineering background, so steel, aluminum, non-ferrous things they are talking about. So production engineering, strength of material science, these subjects become very important subjects for you to prepare. इनको आपको अच्छे तरीके से preparation करना चाहिए. So this become important thing for you. Then who are the main people behind this? Who's the CMD and what is the background of CMD? So Brijesh Kumar Upadhyay is the CMD of Goa Shipyard Limited, and वो इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर हैं, और उन्होंने फिर और कोलकाता से उन्होंने इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेलीकॉम इंजीनियरिंग से फेलो मेंबरशिप भी हैं वो. सो उससे पहले वो डायरेक्टर ऑपरेशंस थे एंड ही हैज़ spent 30 long years in Goa Shipyard Limited. So from where there you will get some idea, you know, about the background of CMD, and then you can understand something about the history also of Goa Shipyard Limited. तो थोड़ा सा ये पढ़ के जाना कि कैसे बना था और किस तरीके से गोवा शिपयार्ड क्रिएट हुआ एंड हाउ इट इज़ सर्विंग, यू नो. ये आप जानते हैं जब ब्रिटिश वर रूलिंग आवर कंट्री एंड गोवा में वैसे भी देर वॉज अ कल्चर ऑफ पुर्तगीज़ कल्चर. सो पुर्तगीज़ कल्चर का रिफ्लेक्शन कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे होगा. सो अब एनी हाउ यू जितना भी हिस्ट्री है उसको गो थ्रू करो एक बार. एंड इनहेरेंट स्ट्रेंथ्स तो हमने पहले भी देखी हैं, और उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट्स जरूर देखना क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड के, क्या बनाते हैं. सो कौन कौन से वेसल हैं और कैसे उनको हम उनका साइज़ कैसे मेज़र करते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ नॉट हाई स्पीड. सो हाउ डू यू मेज़र द स्पीड इन द sea of some particular vessel. So offshore petrol vessel, offshore petrol vessel, advanced offshore petrol vessel. So these are sail training ships. So these are some of the products of Goa Shipyard Limited. Services क्या क्या provide करते हैं, that also you should go. Ship repair, ship refitting, ship modernization. These are some of the services. Ship repair में जाएंगे तो आपको ship repairing के बारे में थोड़ा सा पता लगेगा. Vasco da Gama, all of you know Vasco da Gama. India में he was the first Portuguese, first European. In fact, he was from Portugal. He came to Cochin actually, and Vasco da Gama ने एक एस्टेब्लिश किया एक कंपनी जिसका नेम था एस्टेलियोरो नवाइस डी गोवा, मे बी इस पुर्तगीज नेम. एंड जब ये गोवा लिबरेट हुआ 1961 में. सो यू शुड हैव सम आइडिया दैट गोवा डिड नॉट गेट इंडिपेंडेंस इन 1947. कंपनी 1961 में गोवा लिबरेट हुआ और फिर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने कंपनी लिया एंड इट वाज गिवन ऑन लीज टू मजगन डॉक, राइट. तो मजगन डॉक अलग है, वो बॉम्बे में है, यू नो दैट. सो देन इट वाज नेम चेंज फ्रॉम दिस टू गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड. सो लिटिल बिट आइडिया अबाउट दिस थिंग्स. तो शिप रिपेयर, शिप रिफिटिंग क्या होता है थोड़ा सा आपको पता होना चाहिए. शिप रिपेयरिंग और शिप रिफिटिंग, देखो शिप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अलग चीज़ है. तो अगर आपसे को पूछे शिप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कहाँ होता है तो आपको उसका भी आइडिया पता होना चाहिए. और कौन कौन से शिप यार्ड हैं, जैसे मजगन डॉक भी है. तो डॉक एंड यार्ड में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डॉक एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द यार्ड. एंड एड्रेस कहाँ है, वास्को डी गामा, ये देख रहे हो एड्रेस वास्को डी गामा. सो यू शुड नो हु इज द वास्को डी गामा. सो देन यू नो अदर थिंग्स लाइक you keep on going. and यहाँ पे जब whenever you going and visiting this website, make sure you have pen and paper in your hand and you are writing everything. जो भी आप देख रहे हो उसको आप लिख रहे हो, that is something which is very very important. So friends, YourPedia will help you in preparing for this interview, whether you are from finance, corporate social responsibility, HR, engineering, whatever. So YourPedia will help you. If you want to prepare seriously for this, then technical questions what can be asked, HR questions what can be asked, we'll mentor you for that. So in case you have got call for that, get connected with the mentors or executive of YourPedia, and let's start preparation for this. All the very best. Thank you.